In this video, we'll quickly cover how to create a selectable package that automatically disperses between two multiple delivery days. So first, I'm going to come to my settings page and make sure I have multiple delivery days enabled. And just to double check, I have my two pickup days here, Sunday and Wednesday. So we're all good to get started. So first, I'm going to click Add New Package, and I'm going to call this split package selectable. That way I could identify it easy. For the description, you can make this anything you want. For the price, we'll do a base price of $50, and I'll add this to the category of weekly packages. For delivery days, you could leave this blank if you want it to apply to both days, or if you want it to only be on one day, you would select that. In this case, we want this applied to both days, so we're going to leave that blank. Next, we're going to skip over the items tab because the items tab is how we would set a preset package. So we come to variations and we're going to come to components and we're going to click add package component. So first we're going to do choose your entree, but let's say this is going to be our Sunday option, right? So we're going to say they can choose 2 entrees, minimum and maximum on Sunday. We're going to skip price. That's for some more advanced stuff. What's important is we're going to select the delivery day of Sunday. Then under items, we can click adjust and it will say these are the meals that they could choose from for this day. And for this Asian steak and peppers, let's make this an additional $2. And I'll click save and go back. And now I'm going to click add package component and I could select choose your dessert, and this is, let's make this a minimum maximum of 1 just for this example, and also we'll make this for Sunday. And again, we'll click adjust, and I'm just going to select some random meals here that they could choose from. Next, so now that Sunday is done, we can come back and we could do choose your entree, but we're going to make this for Wednesday. And under delivery day, I would select Wednesday. And let's say that we want this minimum and maximum to be 3. We would then again come to adjust and we would select whatever meals we want to be selectable from Wednesday's menu. Click save, go back. And finally, let's say we also wanted to offer dessert on Wednesday. I would again hit add package component, choose your dessert, and we'll keep that as 1 and 1. And we'll select the day as Wednesday. And then finally, for the last time, under items, adjust, we select the meals that they could choose from and click save, go back. Quickly taking a look here again, just to recap, we have our entree for Sunday, we have our dessert for Sunday, we have our entrees for Wednesday, and we have our dessert for Wednesday. So now I'll just click OK. I like to refresh the page always just to make sure any updates I made are applying. I'll click create manual order. And here is our split package selectable. So I'm going to go ahead and click select. And just like that, here's everything we set up. Choose your entree for Sunday, 1, 2. Choose your dessert, 1. Choose your entree for Wednesday, 1, 2, 3. Choose your dessert for Wednesday, 1. And watch when I click add, it automatically splits that between Wednesday and Sunday here on the right hand side. And when the customer goes to check out, again, that's one order and it's automatically splitting it into both days for us.